Hi there! If you're looking to set up an account on MoneyGram, then this video has got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, pick your choice. You can head over to the MoneyGram website or download their app. Now, once you're there, look around and you will find the sign up or create account option waving at you. So just simply tap on it and now the info part comes in. Just fill in your full name, email, phone number, and set up a password. And once that's done, be on the lookout for a verification email in your inbox. Just simply click on that confirmation link and you've sealed the deal. Just be prepared for a bit more detail as they might also inquire about your date of birth, address, and occasionally for that official nod a government ID. So this is all part of the process to make sure everything is above board and secure. So keep those details handy for a smooth MoneyGram experience. And that's it. Once you finish the online forms, your MoneyGram account is ready to roll. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.